Hello, this is Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this short video we're going to dive into how to start a credit repair business. Now the first step of starting a credit repair business is to choose your name. Now you want to make sure that you try to stay away from names with credit or credit repair in them, because credit repair, like many financial service industries, are considered to be high risk with a lot of institutions. You don't want to have problems with your merchant processor or your bank, so avoiding those type of words in your name could definitely help you avoid long-term problems. You want to check with your Secretary of State next to see if that name is available, and if so, you want to grab that name and then file for either a corporation or LLC. Try to stay away from sole proprietorships and partnerships because they make you personally liable. You don't want to be personally liable for what happens in your business, so try to stay with a corporation or LLC. You'll also want to get set up to collect payments. For this, you'll need a merchant account set up. Now, credit repair is a high-risk industry. It's very difficult to find these kind of merchant accounts. So we actually put together a free resource, a free page for you to go to have a company and work with a company that has had long-term success working with credit repair companies. This will save you hundreds of hours of time from trying to find a good resource. Now the link is businessfinancesuite.com/merchant. Check it out when you have a chance. businessfinancesuite.com/merchant. Now there's a lot of ways you can advertise credit repair to get new customers. Okay, we put together a great link, a great resource for you to get a lot of information about advertising. There's about 3 or 4 videos on advertising. There's a lot of other videos that'll teach you about the FICO score and other aspects of running a credit repair business, but there's also other tools such as PowerPoints, email marketing content, social media marketing content you can use. It's all free. creditsuite.com/credit repair is the link. Now, in my experience, your advertising should reference what they want versus the repair itself. Okay, by this, I mean instead of advertising for credit repair, you should advertise that you're going to help them get a mortgage even with bad credit. More people respond to that kind of messaging in your ads than they will for the repair itself. Now, you also need to know CROA, the Credit Repair Organizations Act, because it is the law that governs the credit repair industry. So, for example, you need to have a contract signed with certain disclosures. You need to have 3 cancellation notices. You can't charge up front or advertise or market across state lines, okay, unless you're licensed to do so. And more requirements are within CROA. So you need to make sure that you check out this law, because this law governs what you can and can't do in your business operations. So according to CROA, again, you can't charge up front for repair. You can charge an initial consult fee. So if you're meeting with a client, you can charge them $150 for that meeting. You can then turn around and charge them $100 to $200 a month. If you did so and you charge them today for the actual initial appointment, and then you charge them next month for the disputes, after you've processed the disputes, then you're charging in arrears, and this keeps you from charging up front. Now, another solution for pricing and credit repair to stay legal per CROA is to charge per deletion. So there's a lot of companies out there that charge $10 to $50 per item that they actually get deleted. So you're literally not charging the customer until after the item is removed, and this actually can be really profitable too, depending on how you set up your payment structure. Both of these will keep you somewhat in compliance with CROA and their requirements for how you can charge. Now remember, when it comes to credit repair, disputes all come down to the fact that the item must be 100% accurate, verifiable, and timely. So when you're running a credit repair business, you need to know this, because the Fair Credit Reporting Act has this requirement on all items that report on a credit report. They have to be 100% accurate. They have to be 100% timely and verifiable. Most items aren't, which is why credit repair works, because when you dispute these kind of aspects of the account, then you're typically going to find things that are to be inaccurate and therefore need to be deleted by the law. Now, you want to use other consumer laws also to ensure creditors verify the data they have. Use their violations as leverage to get these items deleted. Remember, nobody's required to report anything on a consumer credit report. So, for example, there are other laws out there, such as the Fair Billing Act, that requires that upon request, the creditor supply substantial information to the consumer. In a lot of cases, they can't supply this information. So if they can't supply it, then you could use that as a leverage to get the item actually deleted. Now, again, On our YouTube channel, we've got videos that walk through really in-depth information of how the credit repair process works and other laws you could use to basically challenge creditors to make sure that the information they are reporting is accurate, verifiable, and timely. And remember, credit repair works because if it's not accurate, verifiable, and timely by 100%, then it has to get deleted. That is the law. So hopefully you enjoyed this short video on how to start a credit repair business. If so, like the video, subscribe to our channel. On our channel, you'll find 30 to 60-minute long sessions where we really get in depth. We break down CROA, we break down the dispute process. We really explain step by step exactly how you can be successful running and operating a credit repair business. And don't forget to either click on this video to make sure you grab the free resource or go right to the website creditsuite.com/credit repair. I feel confident to say that on that page you're going to find more free access to resources you could use to start and operate a credit repair business than you'll find anywhere else. So make sure you check that out, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching.